Hi, we're Calvin and Brianna from Team C&B, and our Capstone project focused on redesigning the existing website for White Spring Ranch, a museum digitizing over a century of historical records.
Our project is titled the Website Redesign for Accessibility and Usability, and is a continuation of a previous team's project where they were tasked with creating a website for the White Spring Ranch that was better adapted to handle the size of the archives and was much more affordable to operate.
The website built by the previous Capstone team was a strong foundation but needed improvements in UI and accessibility, and admin features were visually confusing and hard to navigate.
Accessibility isn't always at the forefront of everyone's minds, especially when it comes to technology. Many users who have disabilities or just aren't familiar with digital systems often struggle to interact with technology because accessible design has not always been a priority. And as the world continues to move forward, especially with the integration of AI into our daily lives, developers have a responsibility to design systems with intention and ensure that users of all backgrounds and abilities are able to interact with what we create. What does that mean for us, and how do we achieve that? Accessibility ultimately comes down to understanding how users interact with the system and ensuring that users are able to perform those interactions easily and comfortably. As someone with a visual disability myself, I've experienced firsthand how things like small font sizes, low contrast, and unclear images can make navigating a website difficult. So we used that perspective as a starting point to redesign the front-end experience for the White Spring Ranch. We made the search functionality more intuitive by aligning it with patterns users already recognize from other similar sites. We added accessibility tools that let users customize font sizes and styles to fit their individual needs. And we introduced flexible image zooming options so people can interact with content in whatever way works best for them.
Our UI improvements and accessibility features make website use easier for all users, so anyone can access White Spring Ranch records comfortably and without confusion. We improved the existing admin dashboard by increasing ease of navigation and adding new admin capabilities. To improve admin dashboard navigation, we displayed thumbnails on group and source previews, added the ability to filter sources through a search bar, and increased navigability of the main dashboard page. To refine source and group management, we added new features like batch source uploads and improved existing features like the source and group modification menus and the group reordering menu. We also gave more power to the administrators by allowing them to update text and images displayed on the website's public-facing front end and a menu where they can view the number of daily website visitors. Our admin dashboard improvements streamline the website management process for administrators and volunteers, significantly extending the lifespan of the website and creating a seamless experience for contributors. With our refinements and additions to the White Spring Ranch website, we have made it easier for the public to view records and contributors to upload and update them. With a long-lasting website that can be comfortably used by anyone, the local community will be connected through its history for many years to come.